my mom and dad both looked into it a lot before coming.
All of the success stories he has, just made it even more promising.
I'm happy that I came to this camp because if I wouldn't have, I'd probably be in worse condition right now.
I know I'm gonna have to do a lot of the exercises, but in the long run, it's a good experience.
Yeah, I was scared it wouldn't work and it would hurt a lot, but it doesn't hurt and it works for me. I had improved by 11 degrees, so I was down to 48, and that was the most I've improved in my whole entire 2 years of trying things.
I made 2 really good friends who were in my group, and we have a lot of fun now.
I feel like $1,000,000. It's working. I'm out of my back brace now. I can bend normal. I just feel like a normal kid again.